Hey everyone, it's Healthy Lifestyle. A big part of living a long, healthy life comes down to what we put into our bodies. Evidence shows that nutrient-rich foods give your body a superpower boost. This is about making sustainable choices that make you feel amazing. I'm breaking down 10 powerful superfoods to incorporate into your routine. Real food, real benefits, to boost energy and improve mood. Get ready to feel the difference. First up, let's talk about blueberries, often hailed as one of nature's most potent superfoods. These little blue gems are packed with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Think of free radicals as little troublemakers in your body, contributing to aging and even increasing the risk of chronic diseases. Antioxidants are like the body's natural defense system, neutralizing these troublemakers and keeping your cells healthy. Blueberries are particularly rich in a type of antioxidant called anthocyanins, which gives them their vibrant blue color and some pretty impressive health benefits. Studies have linked anthocyanins to improved brain function, reduced risk of heart disease, and even potential anti-cancer effects. But the benefits of blueberries don't stop there. They're also a good source of vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant, as well as vitamin K and fiber, which are important for blood clotting and digestive health, respectively. So incorporating blueberries into your diet is like giving your body a multivitamin boost, all in one delicious package. How can I easily fit blueberries into my day? Blueberries are incredibly versatile and easy to enjoy. Start the day with Greek yogurt, fresh blueberries, and granola. For a convenient snack, grab a handful of blueberries. Add them to smoothies for flavor and nutrition. Bake them into muffins or pancakes for a treat. Try incorporating them into savory dishes like salads or salsas. Your body will thank you. Next up, we have a leafy green that's a true nutritional powerhouse: spinach. This often overlooked vegetable is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can benefit your health in countless ways. One of spinach's standout nutrients is iron, which is crucial for carrying oxygen throughout your body. Iron deficiency is one of the most common nutrient deficiencies worldwide, leading to fatigue, weakness, and even pale skin. Incorporating spinach into your diet can help ensure you're getting enough of this vital mineral. But spinach's benefits don't stop there. It's also an excellent source of vitamin K, which is essential for bone health and blood clotting, and vitamin A, which is crucial for vision and immune function. Spinach is also rich in folate, a B vitamin that's particularly important during pregnancy for healthy fetal development. Now, I know what you might be thinking: spinach? But it's just leaves. Trust me, spinach is far more versatile than you might think. One of my favorite ways to enjoy spinach is in a smoothie. Simply toss a handful of spinach into your blender along with your favorite fruits, yogurt, and a splash of liquid. You'll get all the nutrients of spinach without even tasting it. Another great option is to add spinach to your eggs in the morning. You can also stir spinach into soups, stews, and pasta sauces for a boost of flavor and nutrition. Alright, let's talk about salmon, the king of the omega-3 fatty acids. You know I love my fats, but they have to be healthy fats, and salmon is packed with them. Omega-3s are essential for brain health, heart health, and can even help reduce inflammation in the body. Think of omega-3s like the good oil in a well-oiled machine, keeping everything running smoothly. They're not produced naturally by your body, so you have to get them through your diet, and salmon is one of the best sources out there. Now, I know some people are hesitant about eating fish because of concerns about mercury. It's true, some fish can contain mercury, but salmon is generally low in mercury, especially wild-caught salmon. Just be sure to consume it in moderation, like most things in life. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon per week. You can grill it, bake it, poach it, or even eat it raw in sushi. Just make sure it's cooked to the proper temperature if you're not going for the raw route. But the benefits of salmon don't stop at omega-3s. It's also a great source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues. And let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals. Salmon is packed with B vitamins, which are crucial for energy production, and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. It's also a good source of selenium, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. So not only is salmon delicious and versatile, but it's also a nutritional powerhouse that can benefit your health in countless ways. Incorporating it into your diet is a no-brainer, really. Whether you're a seasoned salmon pro or a curious newbie, I encourage you to make this superfood a regular part of your meals. Your body will thank you for it. Next up, we have the almighty avocado. Now, I know some people think avocados are too high in fat, but let me tell you, it's the good kind of fat monounsaturated fat. This type of fat can actually help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Plus, avocados are super versatile. You can add them to your salads, smoothies, sandwiches, or even just eat them plain with a little salt and pepper. I personally love them on toast with a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning. But the benefits of avocados don't stop there. They're also packed with fiber, which is essential for digestive health and can help you feel fuller for longer. And let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals. Avocados are a good source of potassium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure, and folate, which is crucial for cell growth and development. They're also rich in vitamin C, E, and K. One of the things I love most about avocados is that they're a great source of energy. So if you're feeling sluggish in the afternoon, instead of reaching for a sugary snack, try having half an avocado. The healthy fats and fiber will give you a sustained energy boost without the sugar crash. Plus, the act of preparing the avocado and putting it on toast or in a salad can be a mindful moment in your day. Now, I know avocados can be a little pricey, but trust me, they're worth it. They're like nature's little multivitamin, packed with nutrients that can benefit your health in countless ways. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't be afraid to grab a few avocados. Your body will thank you for it. Let's talk about almonds, the perfect snack. These little nuts are packed with nutrients like healthy fats, protein, fiber, and vitamin E. They're also a good source of magnesium, which is important for muscle function, and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. One of the things I love most about almonds is that they're so convenient. You can keep a bag in your car, purse, or desk drawer for a quick and healthy snack on the go. But the benefits of almonds don't stop there. Studies have shown that eating almonds regularly can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and even improve blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. And because they're high in protein and fiber, almonds can help you feel fuller for longer, which can be helpful if you're trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Now, I know some people are hesitant to eat nuts because they're high in calories, but remember, it's all about portion control. A serving of almonds is about a small handful, or about 23 almonds, and the calories in almonds are packed with nutrients, unlike the empty calories you'll find in processed snacks. So next time you're feeling peckish, reach for a handful of almonds instead of that bag of chips. You can also incorporate almonds into your meals by adding them to your breakfast oatmeal, yogurt, or salads. Or try almond butter on whole wheat toast or apple slices for a healthy and satisfying snack. So there you have it, another superfood that's easy to incorporate into your diet and can provide a variety of health benefits. Make almonds your go-to snack and enjoy the benefits. Alright, let's talk quinoa. It's not just a trendy food, guys. This gluten-free ancient grain is a nutritional powerhouse. It's a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Packed with fiber, it's crucial for a healthy gut. Plus, it helps you feel fuller for longer. Loaded with iron, magnesium, and manganese. Use it in salads, stuffed peppers, or as breakfast porridge. The best time to have quinoa is during lunch or dinner. It's heavier than some grains, so having it earlier helps digestion. Its protein and fiber keep you full, preventing late-night cravings. Enjoy quinoa in a hearty salad for lunch. Toss cooked quinoa with chopped veggies. Add lean protein and a light vinaigrette. You've got a nutritious lunch to power through the afternoon. For dinner, quinoa makes a great side dish. Pair it with grilled fish, roasted vegetables, or lentil soup. Experiment with different herbs and spices. A healthy diet is all about variety. Incorporate nutrient-rich foods like quinoa into your meals. Let's move on to another superfood that deserves a spot on your plate, Greek yogurt. Now you might be thinking yogurt, that's for breakfast, right? Greek yogurt is so versatile it can be enjoyed anytime. It's packed with protein, 20 grams per serving, more than most other yogurts. And its probiotic content is great for gut health. Probiotics help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in our digestive system. Greek yogurt is incredibly versatile. You can have it plain, but why not get creative? In the morning, top it with some fresh fruit, a sprinkle of granola, and a drizzle of honey for a breakfast that will keep you energized all morning long. If you're looking for a healthy snack, Greek yogurt is a perfect choice. It's portable, convenient, and will satisfy those hunger pangs without derailing your healthy eating goals. You can even use it as a substitute for sour cream or mayonnaise in dips and sauces. It adds a creamy texture and a tangy flavor without all the extra calories and fat. For a quick and easy lunch, try making a Greek yogurt bowl. Layer Greek yogurt with your favorite fruits, nuts, and seeds. It's a refreshing and nutrient-packed meal that will keep you full and focused all afternoon. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is all about making sustainable choices that you enjoy. Greek yogurt is a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet. Next up, we're talking about a vegetable that's been a dinner table staple for ages: broccoli. I know, some of you might have childhood memories of pushing this green veggie around your plate, but trust me, broccoli is a true nutritional powerhouse that deserves a spot in your diet. First and foremost, broccoli is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. We're talking vitamin C, which is crucial for a healthy immune system, vitamin K, which plays a key role in blood clotting and bone health, and folate, which is essential for cell growth and development. But broccoli's benefits don't stop there. It's also a good source of fiber, which, as we've discussed, is crucial for a healthy digestive system. And here's a bonus. Broccoli contains compounds called glucosinolates, which have been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer. Now, how do you enjoy this mighty green? Well, the possibilities are endless. You can eat it raw, steamed, roasted, or even stir-fried. Just don't overcook it or you'll lose some of those valuable nutrients. Broccoli is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed at both lunch and dinner. For a light and refreshing lunch, try adding raw broccoli florets to salads. They add a satisfying crunch and a boost of nutrition. You can even toss them with a light vinaigrette for extra flavor. For dinner, roasted broccoli is a winner. Simply toss broccoli florets with some olive oil, salt and pepper, and roast them in a preheated oven until tender. The high heat brings out broccoli's natural sweetness, making it a delicious and satisfying side dish. If you're short on time, steaming broccoli is a quick and easy option. Steaming helps retain broccoli's nutrients and vibrant green color. Serve it as a side dish with your favorite protein and whole grains for a complete and balanced meal. Remember, a healthy diet is all about incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-rich foods. Broccoli is a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal, and its versatility makes it easy to include in your diet. Don't let their size fool you, folks. Chia seeds may be small, but they're packed with nutrients like fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. We're talking about a superfood that can help regulate your digestion, keep you feeling full, and even support heart health. Remember those chia pets we all loved as kids? Well, these seeds are the same ones, and they're just as impressive on the inside as they are when they sprout those fun green hairstyles. Now you might be wondering how to incorporate these tiny powerhouses into your diet. It's actually easier than you think. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can be added to your breakfast, lunch, or even your favorite snacks. One of my favorite ways to enjoy chia seeds is by adding a couple of tablespoons to my morning yogurt or oatmeal. They add a nice texture and a boost of nutrition. You can also blend them into your smoothies for a thicker consistency and an extra dose of omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, making them great for hydration and feeling fuller. This helps with weight management and healthier choices. Chia seeds are also rich in antioxidants, protecting your body from free radicals. So grab a bag and start incorporating them into your diet. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate, in moderation, can actually be part of a healthy diet. Now, before you run off to devour that king-size candy bar, let me clarify. We're talking about dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao content, not the sugary, milky varieties. Dark chocolate is loaded with antioxidants, even more than blueberries and acai berries. These antioxidants help protect our cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and may even lower the risk of heart disease. But the benefits don't stop there. Dark chocolate also contains flavonoids, which have been linked to improved brain function and memory. So, the next time you need a little brain boost before an exam or a big presentation, a small piece of dark chocolate might be just what you need. However, it's important to remember that moderation is key. While dark chocolate offers a range of health benefits, it's still relatively high in calories and fat. Stick to 1 or 2 small squares a day to reap the benefits without overdoing it. A great way to incorporate dark chocolate into your diet is to enjoy it as an after-dinner treat. The flavonoids in dark chocolate can actually aid digestion and help regulate blood sugar levels. Plus, it's a much healthier alternative to sugary desserts. Another delicious way to enjoy dark chocolate is to pair it with nuts and seeds. The combination of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants makes for a satisfying and nutritious snack. You can even find dark chocolate bars with nuts and seeds already mixed in, making it an easy and convenient option. So go ahead, indulge in a little dark chocolate guilt-free. Just remember to choose wisely and enjoy it in moderation as part of a balanced diet. And there you have it, folks. 10 incredible superfoods that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine for a healthier, happier you. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. I hope you found this video helpful and learned some new ways to boost your nutrition. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video, and as always, thanks for watching.